Vanakkam,
Would you
sir.
like to come?
Hello,
Vanakkam, sir.
hello. I am Dev Prasad.
Devi Prasad ji, welcome. Please.
Actually, my internet connection was disrupted. That's why I could not continue the program. Anyway, I wanted to share my experience.
Yes, sir. Please go on.
Can you hear?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, very much.
So Guruji,
Yes, yes.
you have inspired me in many ways. That I will share with you when I come to. I am actually planning to come to Bangalore and settle there. So when I come over, I will meet you personally. And before that, actually here in Guntur, we are having a group called Manayenta Sendriya Panta, organic farming in our home itself. So we are all having terrace gardens because we are not having enough soil around our house. So everyone, almost 200 members are there. And we are mainly concentrating upon kitchen produce. So whatever leafy vegetables and vegetables produced upon the terrace, they can be used. So organically, without using any chemical manures, we are doing our own manure. We are producing our own manure by using cow dung and the fallen leaves. So in that way, 200 members are producing such a beautiful harvest here. And it's really inspiring to see. I will share the photos with our group friends. And now today's program also, whatever Padmini Patel has given, it's a very good thing. And she has initiated, me to, she has introduced me to you. And I have completed my basic class and the advanced class also at Gatti. And it was a memorable experience. And Veerabhadra Swami and all those Vinay, yes, another person, Vinay was there when I come over there to attend that advanced class. Beautiful experience, Guruji. And you have inspired me. Actually, I could not talk anything before 4 members or 5 members. From that stage, when you have given me that inspiration of power within, yes, I have to see that power within. And later, I also began giving seminars regarding mudra therapy, Shatchakra meditation, spiritual nutrition. And I have written some books also on all these things. And you are my inspiration. And like that, many people are there in the world who might have got inspiration from you and doing well in their lives. Yes, whatever they have achieved, it all because of you, Guruji. And this I wanted to share before all these members of this group. And I wish every success to every member of this to protect our environment and say oxygen. Say we can produce our own oxygen in our homes, and we can keep our homes clean and fresh with beautiful oxygen, so that no one can die hereafter with a lacking of oxygen. Yes, that's all what I wanted to share.
Thank you so much. Well, you said you're going to come to Bangalore and settle down. Where do you want to settle down? What do you
Yes. Actually, near Banaswadi, one Horamavu is there. Horamavu.
Yeah.
There, my son is hiding. He's having his own house. And nowadays, actually, because of Corona, I could not get enough work here. Not enough work. Virtually, actually, no work at all. So he asked me to come over when they lift this lockdown. He wanted me to come over there and settle with them.
How many children you have?
2 children. Son was there. He was the youngest. And another one, daughter is here. She is she's in education. That means she's working as a principal of a school.
In Visakhapatnam? In Hyderabad?
No, here in Guntur. Guntur is near Vijayawada.
Yeah.
Say, I attended your basic class in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
And I got also advanced.
So So now you and your wife are going to shift to
Yeah,
Bangalore.
yeah, we both are coming over there to Bangalore
Yeah.
and we are going to settle there.
Okay, and what do you want to do here?
Oh, actually, nothing to do, but I am having that skill of doing children magazine illustration. And for education purpose, I am doing here also. And they wanted me, if I go there also, if education field is okay. But actually, for the last 2 years, when Corona came, my work completely stopped.
Hmm.
And I'm doing children magazine illustrations for Sri Saila Prabha. One magazine is coming from Sri Sailam. It is their temple owned magazine, and for them I am doing illustrations.
One thing I can suggest, like here, you can stay in your
Yes.
son's house.
Okay.
Horamahu is close to Gati, our ashram. Have you come to our ashram?
Yeah. Yeah. I came there. I attended the class. Also advanced class.
You're not in the ashram. In Gati, you attended.
Ghati, yes.
Your advanced class. was in
Ghati
Gati.
ashram.
Okay, there you can
That
come and
was
stay
in
there whenever you want.
earliest.
Whenever you
Okay,
want,
sure,
you can come
definitely.
and
It's
stay
an
there.
invitation from you. Thank you, Guruji.
And you can
Actually,
write your books, write your stories and all in that environment. It'll be more,
yes.
more spiritual, more.
Yes, very ideal environment. Yes, I experienced that very good experience there,
you're close to your son.
and location is also good.
Anything else that you want to do, we are
Okay,
all there
sure.
to help you. And
When I come over there, we will all when we come over there, definitely we will all visit you, sir,
yeah,
and take your blessings.
yeah. No, not for blessings. You come and you can be there, share your thing, and have your life.
Okay.
More than
Definitely.
blessings, I want you to have the free environment
Sure.
to do your work and inspire.
Sure,
Your work
Guruji,
can be
definitely. Okay.
నమస్కారం
Thank you,
దేవి
thank
ప్రసాద్ గారు. దేవి ప్రసాద్ గారు, నేను చంద్రమౌళి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను.
Yeah, namaskaram.
మీది మీ
చెప్పండి.
ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ విని చాలా సంతోషమైంది. ఇక్కడ బెంగళూరు లో
చాలా సంతోషం.
లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ నో స్పేస్ టు గ్రో ద ప్లాంట్స్ అండ్ ట్రీస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. సో వి హావ్ గాట్
అప్పుడు అలాంటప్పుడు
ఇస్ ద ఓన్లీ
terrace garden అండి, terrace garden.
Terrace
Yes,
garden, your
definitely.
sharing of your experience is very much useful to us, to many people. So
I
please
can
join
be
the group.
helpful. I can be definitely be helpful to you.
Yes, please.
Sure,
that
sure,
you
definitely,
can join the group. So regular your
Okay.
guidance will help many people to grow
Sure, sir.
plants
Sure.
in the gardens. Thank you very much, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
definitely. Thank you.
Arun.
Har-